RRD, he would have said no to that. Stop it. He would have said something like that. It would not have even occurred to us to say anything like that to him. Because, you know, even though we were the communications arm of the president, he called the shots. You know, he was the one that said, no, I don't want to do that. No. And turn off that camera. He would go like that. Pag kunya ito such a private event, no, a private situation like him embracing a child with cancer, and he was crying. He didn't want any cameras, no. He didn't want until we had to say him for documentation lang, ganon. Pero ganon siya, parang he was in charge. Very strong leader talaga na naiintindihan niya, walang kapalit, Marcos, walang kapalit ang totoong nagsisilbi sa bayan. Kung gusto mo ng totoong PR, magsilbi ka ng maayos sa Pilipino and everything will follow. Eh kaso hindi ka marunong eh. Tsaka hindi ka naman tumakbo para magsilbi. Tumakbo ka para magnakaw sa Pilipino at para tumagal ka pa sa poder. Pagkatapos, magba-band-aid solution ka, magtatapon-tapon ka ng drugs sa mga kalokohang kabobohan na pinaggagawa, yung katulad ng alitagtag, na kayo lang ang naniniwala dyan, no? Sila nila Abalos. Naalala mo yun, Eric, mukha sila mga tanga. No, so lalo lang nagagalit ang tao sa inyo dahil ang tatanga ninyo, iniinsulto nyo pa yung intelligence ng Filipino people. Hindi tanga ang Pilipino. Napakatalino ng Pilipino. Lalo pa kasi ang Pilipino, ilang dekada na kami, puro bulok na politiko, tapos bigla kaming nagkaroon ng shining example. Alam na namin, 'di ba? Ginising na kami ni PRRD.